Do you need to create a formula in Operator10 or Synexus? Did you know that there is a function help guide to assist in formula creation? Navigate to the Setup tab from the main application ribbon in your program. Select Formulas and click on the plus icon to create a new formula. Note there is an entire function list of formulas available to select from. For help creating a function, simply click on the Formula Help button. A list of available function categories will appear. Display the function type you are looking for, or you can select to display all functions by group or alphabetically. When you select a specific function, the help guide will display what algebraic variables are used in the formula and give you a definition of the values the formula generates, as well as some examples at the bottom of the window. The function help guide is a great user tool to navigate the anatomy of how to build formulas to maximize both your time and give you valuable data customized for your facility's operations. Want more help on formulas? Be sure to check out our knowledge base articles on formulas at allmaxsoftware.com or watch our detailed YouTube video on creating a formula. Just search for AllMax software in your YouTube browser. And as always, if you need more information, reach out to us directly or through our social media.